If you are feeling a vague sense of anxiety as you grow older, start by taking just 5 minutes to carefully wipe down the table in front of you. This small habit of cleaning can quietly transform your entire life. Over time, it becomes a powerful tool that allows you to remain independent and stay in complete control of your own life as you age. For a long time, we were taught that buying more things, living in a larger house, and accumulating possessions was the sign of a rich and well-controlled life. But is that really true? Have you ever felt that having more things actually burdens you with endless tidying, taking away your control over your own life instead? As the years go by, there are naturally more things around us that we simply cannot control. But what about the table right in front of you? Whether you clear and tidy that space is 100% up to you. It is your own little kingdom, a place you can transform purely through your own willpower, without anyone else interfering. Many people think of cleaning as just a boring household chore, but that is a big mistake. Cleaning is actually the ultimate action you can take to reclaim control over your life. And this feeling of being in control is not just a matter of mood. It has been scientifically proven to have a profound impact on our health and our very vitality. Let me share a famous psychological study with you. Psychologists Judith Rodin and Ellen Langer conducted a study at a care facility in Connecticut. They divided the elderly residents into 2 groups. They told the first group, "Starting today, we are placing a potted plant in your room. Taking care of this plant is entirely up to you. You decide when to water it and how much sunlight it gets." In other words, this group gained a small area in their daily life that they could choose and control themselves. To the second group, they said, "Starting today, we are placing a beautiful potted plant in your room. But don't worry, our staff will take care of all the watering. You don't need to do anything at all." This group received attentive care in an environment where they didn't have to manage anything themselves. At first glance, you might think the second group had it easier and happier because they didn't have to do any work. However, 18 months later, a shocking difference emerged. The group that had a small area of personal control, taking care of the plant, became much more active, and their health improved significantly. When the researchers compared the mortality rates, the group that received full care without any choice had a mortality rate of 30%. In contrast, the group that took care of their own plant had a mortality rate of only 15%, half of the other group. This means that simply having a tiny area of personal control, like watering a single plant, doubled people's survival rates. What this study teaches us is that our vital energy and health come from the feeling that we are directing our own lives. When we lose that sense of control, our minds and bodies can weaken, no matter how comfortable our environment may be. Fortunately, we don't need to buy and grow new plants every day to stay healthy. Right in front of you lies a perfect space that you can organize with 100% of your own intention, without anyone disturbing you. That space is your own room, and the act is cleaning. Cleaning is not just about removing dirt. It is a simple yet powerful habit that reminds your brain, "This is a space I chose, and this is a space I care for," allowing you to take back the steering wheel of your life. Regardless of how many possessions you own, loving and carefully tending to the space within your reach is a traditional piece of wisdom from Japan, the country with the highest life expectancy in the world. Tidying up your room with your own hands directly connects to the real feeling of, "I am in control of my space right now." And once you gain this sense of control, 3 wonderful side benefits naturally follow for your body as well. The first benefit is peace of mind and relaxation. When you spend time in a cluttered space, your brain is forced to process an overwhelming amount of visual information, releasing a stress hormone called cortisol. When cortisol levels rise, your brain stays in a state of high alert, making it impossible to truly relax. However, simply wiping down a surface and putting away extra items eliminates this visual stress. Instead of letting others disrupt your peace, taking action with your own hands to tidy your space allows you to intentionally relax your own mind. The second benefit is better appetite control. Do you ever find yourself reaching for snacks for no particular reason? This, too, is often caused by elevated cortisol levels from a cluttered environment. When the brain feels stress, it craves high-calorie foods to get quick comfort. In other words, snacking isn't a sign of weak willpower. It's simply your brain reacting to a messy space. Keeping your surroundings clean lowers cortisol levels and helps you stay free from impulsive cravings. The third benefit is natural exercise and a healthy body. You don't need to push yourself through exhausting gym workouts. In Japanese daily life, routine cleaning is considered the best form of fitness. Wiping floors, organizing shelves, and vacuuming are ideal whole-body movements that do not put excessive strain on your knees or back. This is known as NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Without forcing yourself to exercise, simply keeping your home clean naturally burns calories and maintains a healthy body. When your mind and body are balanced, waking up in the morning becomes something to look forward to, allowing you to live each day with grace and authenticity. For your long-term health and well-being, start today with one small habit. Wipe down the table in front of you for just 5 minutes. You will surely regain that wonderful feeling of holding the steering wheel of your own life. The name of this channel, Sushi Mind, embodies the simple and healthy aesthetics of traditional Japan. We will continue to share Japanese wisdom to enrich your life. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out, and look forward to the next video. If today's message brought a little light to your heart, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.